Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard where you can manage all of your websites and settings. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, click on Website to access your website management area. You'll now see a list of websites connected to your account. Take a moment to locate the website you want to connect to your GoDaddy domain. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one before proceeding. Once you've found the right website, look for the Connect a Domain option and click on it. This will take you to the Domain Connection Setup page. On the next screen, enter the domain name you purchased through GoDaddy. Type in the full domain address and then click Let's Go to continue. Wix will then check the domain and may display a message asking whether you own the domain. Simply click Yes, I own this domain to confirm ownership and move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your domain ownership. To do this, sign into your GoDaddy account when requested. Wix will guide you through the verification process and, in many cases, can automatically configure the required DNS settings for you. Once the verification is complete, Wix will connect your GoDaddy domain to your website. Keep in mind that domain changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, so it may take a few hours before your website becomes available on the new domain. And that's it! You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.